Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up and use Discord overlay. First, head into your Discord application and then click the user settings that can be found in the bottom left side of the screen. After clicking this, scroll a little and then click the game overlay section, which is found in the activity settings. After clicking this, simply enable in-game overlay. After enabling it, you can now modify the position of this overlay. Like for example, I want it to position in the top left, bottom left, top right, or bottom right. And then we can now register games for this overlay. For example, I want to add Roblox in this overlay. Just simply click the toggle overlay and that's it. The overlay or Discord overlay will now appear in Roblox. As you can see here, as an example, it is now appearing in the Among Us application or game. And that is how to set up and use Discord overlay in your Discord or in your games. Thank you for listening.